guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in. For today's video, I'll be doing a hairstyle for you guys. This is not a tutorial, but if you do want to know how to do this style, just go back and watch this video repeatedly until you get it. But I wanted to do something a little fun, a little creative. I have a style in my brain that I think is going to be cute. In my mind it's cute, but I don't know how it's going to unfold on camera, so I'm hoping it's going to look cute. So since we're now officially in the spring season and it's warmer weather, it's nice outside and nice and sunny and just feels good, I wanted to do something a little springy, or you could say springy summer feel. So I'm going to incorporate some beads just to give it that boho, bohemian type of look, type of feel, type of vibe, because I do like that type of a look anyway. And I thought that would be pretty fitting being that we are in the warmer months now, so I just like the whole vibe, the whole look of that boho style. So that's what we're going to do today. So before I get started, let me show you the products I'll be using to achieve this look. So to waken up my roots, soften up my hair, and also moisturize my scalp, I'll be using the Refresh from Girl in Hair under Hair Care. The products I currently have in my hair now is from Uncle Funky's Daughter, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, and also from African Pride, the Black Castor Miracle Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter. And I have my warm water here not only to rehydrate my hair, but to also reactivate the products that are already in my hair. To tame and slick down my edges, I'll be using a new product that was sent to me from a company called My Lovely Fro. So what she sent me was the Mind Control Edge Taming Hair Gel Set, which includes 2 ounces of the Mind Control Edge Taming Hair Gel and also an 8 milliliter Mind Control with an applicator brush. It's infused with moringa oil, vitamin E, castor oil, lanolin, and rosemary. Also forgot to mention bobby pins. Need bobby pins. And lastly, I have my beads. So I'm ready to get started. Again, I hope this style comes out the way that I'm hoping. I hope it's not a fail, so fingers crossed. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get started. So that concludes the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this hairstyle, create this hairstyle that was in my brain. It wasn't perfect, but you get the gist of what I was trying to do. I still need to work on my tuck and rolls, which is what you see here in the middle. So just tucking the ends of my hair and just rolling it down into somewhat of a rounded ball look. So I still got to work on that a little bit, but I hope you got the gist of the style. So if you like to try it, don't forget to rewatch the video as many times as you want if you want to try to recreate this style. And I don't have a name for this style, so don't ask. I'll also be using this satin scarf to tie down my edges where I put the gel, so that way my edges lay nice and sleek. So I'll be doing that once the video is over. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.
I can get fly, fly, fly.